Hello friends, welcome to Amy Study Lover. Tuni topic discussion dichu Manipur Gk MPSC previous year paper MCQs. Farmer sai ball jing mong wasu abani job de hin tuni part 6 na yeita vene hi. Adong seitam talovin question alut ki taute. Question achun. Which of the following is not associated with Ratan Thiyam, the noted director? Ratan Thiyam takit saya. Hoi chi ham akisai lopen choi chi ham min sei dan tiwe. Correct answer to the option D, Jamadari kiti danadang si am ato kisai. Next question children. Next question in say to H5N1 hi ipiham ti. Correct answer to hile option here jing du hin tula vachanat bird flu kitiwa. Who H5N1 virus in aku se Jadonang se di pone aban children. Next question children. Next say the intensity of earthquake is measured in abe 2005 hong ki dong hin chu option correct answer chile option D Richter scale. Richter scale in intensity of earthquake measured in tutule seismograph kiti khanomen seismograph muni pi measure ham si ko ne wala comment box and say win lang hello len ki google over aban chalo tin. The slogans Inquilab Jindabad chu kolana say ham Inquilab Jindabad say chu koi pen ham option A B C D. Bose ham Bhagat Singh ham Manpa Gandhi ham Jawaharlal Nehru ham correct answer chule option B Bhagat Singh my US British te dona parliament ke hona ba bom na set la yaw he malam kaina na sew hin ajuti as British ten amat nova Bhagat Singh aloy te ni Rajguru Sukhdev kiti ma mothum he 23rd March 1931 ya chu ana khaili o he. Question aban chalo tin. Next question is in the chu. In Manipur history, Jadonang, who was hanged in August 1931, was Amachu Jadonang chu koi ni am ti chu Amachu option A great Meitei leader ham Meilo lam kai ham Jadonang lam kai ham Zomi lam kai ham Naga lam kai ham he so ke vin Amachu so piu Jaleng rong te he Jaleng rong lam kai khat na hi ama athi jo ba a heng jo ba anong hin jui cha hong ki pan chu ka ma ka jin nu rani guiding lo kitinu jo ama thi wa hong ki pan he freedom fighter he. Next question children. Next question chune say to Manipur king who got KCSIR Manipur leng ho la KCSI title sounds to koi koi ham of correct answer to hile A B C D hong ki pin chola correct answer chile option D Chandra Kirti le Churachan Maharaja he mane KCSI title chang hon he. Next question is who was the first woman judge of Supreme Court of India Supreme Court adinga judge masap nu mai judge masap yan ko ha correct answer chile option B Miss M Fatima Bibi he pangal hoy. Next question. The mighty Vaishnava ruler and conqueror who styled himself as refugee of the poor and whose character is found the rare combination of martial quality of Shastriya and the humility of Vaishnava refers to Manipur leng te la hi tai min thang Vaishnava ruler hi mi vai chonga ilu chong le gal hang jong na hi mi home phal mi pha yong na hi ta ke sei pian chu koi na hi Manipur leng te la correct answer chu khagem baham chaira rong baham garib nawaz ham khat cha mo lai khat chai pui ti hai chu pen ham correct answer chu le option C garib ni nawaz garib ni waza min cha ha in. Next question children pihile. Forms and oath of affirmations are laid out in Hoi Japan yam. Hoi Japan I kisayam forms, oath and affirmation. Hoi Japan I kisayam Indian Constitution option A ham Schedule 1 of Constitution ham, Schedule 2 of Constitution ham, Schedule 3 of Constitution ham, Schedule 4 ham. India hi Schedule ya naman India Constitution ai. Chi say bilang Chongloi. Oath affirmation kiti chiten ni ki na ipi mam. Difference. Okay. Chiten in say nge diff oath kiti la pathin mina ki hasil hin itam hana nam kai di khat ki hasil di la pathin mina ki hasil ji hin oath. Tem hana pathin an het ta lo thi sai ta la chon affirmation dan nu ya ki tip na affirmation kiti he pathin mina he lo wa ki hasil na kha nei teo he. Che affirmation kiti. Correct answer chile option C huinte. Schedule 3 of Constitution. India hin Schedule ya numam Schedule 12 na how men is chu bona het na dinga cha bia be shortcut method ko me chin ki mai na ki ba ha wala chuna bia be he tears of old pm ke ti chin he na la bia be which is words kan hen abbreviation ka khache pu do hin chu t chun territory e chun enrollment ke ti abana a affirmation oath r chun raja sabha a chun schedule areas o hin other schedule areas ke ti chi mane 6 schedule na hin chi federal structure central list state list concurrent list chi official language 22 languages land reforms anti-defection politics aitan chi lam kai ho panchayat municipalities cho hi he mel chi important hi aban last question in tin chi tu nya dinga is question to the first Nordic Olympic Games was held in wala mom Nordic Olympic Games masapen chu correct answer chu ile Manipur B Manipur ano me itiano mam 2008 now me headline kan ta do kinen Manipur ano men kon first ko gol ya la ko kon civil ami chi vena le Manipur in first la kinen Assam second Arunachal third he not is seven sister kitin ta eight sister kiti tai हम लेते साकी हप्चु सिक्किम है सिक्किम इचन चु इंडियन लोय ते हो कि पेन टू चंगियन है वे कि ना बाना जंग बोट है डिंग विन लाइक सब्सक्राइब सपोर्ट नहीं बोल किट विन आके पे की मा फाट चु जुन ता दे